The Philippines lies in the Ring of Fire and the Belt of Typhoon, so this makes us really very vulnerable to hazards and risks.
Typhoons back then were predictable. You know exactly the path, you know where they will hit, but now you don't know where or when it's going to hit us. It's really getting stronger and stronger, and I would say that we are among the top 5 high-risk countries when it comes to vulnerability to typhoons, something that we really don't want.
This also exposes our MSMEs to calamities.
We base the classification of our micro, small, and medium enterprises by asset size. So 3 million and below in asset size would be micro. 3 million and 1 to 15 million will be for small, and 15 million and 1 to 100 million in asset size would be medium.
MSMEs are considered to be the backbone of a country's economy and are vital in the socio-economic progress.
Based on our consultation with the micro, small, and medium enterprises, at times they really wouldn't know maybe how to start, where to put their business establishments because of the lack of information, I think. The lack of preparedness. After Yolanda, only 30% of the establishments renewed their business permits. So, meaning to say, it took a while for them to recover because they were not prepared.
Ako po si Mrs. Imelda Fulgencio, taga Marikina. Maraming nag-advise sa akin bakit hindi ako magpa-insured. Pero nade-decline kasi gusto nila malaking company at saka tabi ko ng ilog, parang ayaw nila. Yung experience ko sa Ondoy, yun ang pinakamalaking dagok sa negosyo ko kasi talagang totally was out. Ang hirap, pati kuryente, lahat, wala siya. Talagang nagsimula ako uli sa panibago. Ito po, yan. Yan siya, yan yung mga machine, nakakala to, yan. Puro putik yan, ang putik yan hanggang hita. Ito yan, yung basura na nahakot.
Ako si Anselmo Warde, dati pong manggagawa lang dito sa sapatos. Nung nabaha kami dito last year, ang laki nang naging epekto sa amin. Sa mga nasirang gamit, sa makina, kailangan ko ling ipa-overhaul lahat ng makina. Kailangan ko ling bumili ng mga bagong materyales. Yung mga tao ko na halos 1 linggo kaming pare-parehong walang trabaho.
Kung makakakuha ko ng insurance, ang gusto kong makakuha at i-offer nila yung pag binaha ako, lahat ng damage pwedeng ma-recover. At least yung puhunan mong natatago, hindi na magagalaw kasi i-cover na ng insurance yung mga damages. Malaking tulong ng insurance. Maraming mga maliliit na business dito sa Marikina. Kaya lang, pagka ganong maliliit, hindi naman pinapansin.
This program is helping the MSMEs to smooth their cash flow.
It takes a lot of time actually, for us to craft the policy, the type of coverage that we're going to offer to the clients. Of course, the purpose of this is for this MSME to recover in case there's a disaster. To at least 20% of this segment do not operate again after a disaster or a calamity hit their areas. And we know that these people need something about insurance, so they could protect their properties or livelihood.
The MicroDRI program is an initiative taken by the project together with our partners in the Philippines. This is AXA, CLIS, and DTI to promote coverage for extreme weather events, typhoon insurance, as well as floods.
Cebuana Lhuillier is a distribution channel, and as a distribution channel, we're actually affiliated with several non-life insurance companies, and AXA is one of those companies.
Actually, AXA is the insurer on this program. We are coordinating with Cebuana Lhuillier because of vast branches nationwide, and it will help to reach these people, this MSME, to insure against these calamities like earthquake, typhoon and flood, including man-made disasters like fire.
It's about having a product, and that in case of this calamity, they need to trust that the company, in this case is AXA, might be more companies in the future, the company will pay out very fast. Normally we get a product of payout of within 10 days after the calamity has happened.
There are more than 1 million enterprises in the Philippines, and approximately 90% of these enterprises actually belong to the MSME sector. We hope that we can be able to reach out to this sector, which we believe are the most vulnerable now, given the fact that there's no meaningful and affordable coverage in the market yet.
This is available, this is affordable, and will be also accessible in the near future through the DTI negotiation centers and the outlets of the Cebuana Lhuillier.
People think insurance is costly. Insurance is not important. But I would suppose that with all the awareness sessions we've been doing, I think they're more open now to really looking at possible options on how they can be best prepared. And I think microinsurance is one way that can help them prepare for this. Our micro, small, and medium enterprises can be proactive, not reactive. Let insurance protect you.